Fan favorite tiny off-roader, the Suzuki Jimny, is set to spawn a larger version, with back doors and a longer wheelbase. As a refresher course, this cute 4x4 is thought about a K automobile in Japan, measuring 3,395 mm, 133.7 inches, long, 1,475 mm, 58.1 inches, large and 1,725 mm, 67.9 inches, high. The global variation, Jimny Sierra in Japan, is somewhat larger, yet still does not have correct rear doors and legroom. Thankfully, an extra functional acquired design is apparently getting closer. Japanese internet site Otaquan priced estimate a Suzuki authorities as saying that the 5-door Jimny will ultimately get here in 2022. The model was originally scheduled to debut at the Tokyo Electric Motor Show in October. Nevertheless, the event has been cancelled, like numerous comparable occasions, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The vehicle will supposedly make use of the official name Jimny Long. And, in keeping with the brand new name, the wheelbase will certainly also be stretched by around 300 mm, 11.8 in. The family-friendly Jimny will certainly be heavier, as its dimensions expand. Suzuki will make up for this by installing an extra powerful engine. Engineers at the manufacturing facility supposedly added turbocharging, in addition to a mild hybrid setup.